Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for another day. This is the day number 6. Today we are going to talk about regarding to the section 2.2, the project environment. In special, I'm so sorry, my friends. This is a huge and awesome session when you can understand a little bit more, not only from project, but you're only going to explain how the people, how to management this all information. Why I told you that it's all? Because in the last PMBOK guide, we don't have this information. We have in the oldest PMBOK guides, and today they are come back. In this specific part, we are talking about the all regarding to the main influence from around the project. And for that reason, in this specific section, start to talking about regarding to the project environment. Project environment is the main reason to be start here is regarding to the influence. The influence you have two groups, enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets. In the right side, you can see the OPAS and the left side you can see the EEF. DEF and OPAS are the two main important environments that you will have inside the your project. And for that reason, when we start to talk regarding to the enterprise environment factor, we can consider that this condition can be affect internal or external of the organization, and always are the inputs in whatever kind of product management process. For that reason, in this specific part, you can understand which is are the internal enterprise environment factors of the organization, like organization culture, like infrastructure, employee capacity, resource availability. You have here plenty of details in order you understand which is the enterprise environment factor internal of the organization. Then you have the same examples regarding to the external. External like market condition, legal registration, uh, financial consideration, public health and safety regulation. This is the specific examples that we have in this specific part of the PM book. Then we have the another influence, the organization process asset. This is very important because it is internal. Why is it internal? Because we have two kinds of organization process assets. One of that is process policies and procedures, and another is the organizational knowledge repository. In this specific part, when we are talking regarding to the policy process procedures, the PPP and leads, we can understand that all of this was created but not updated by the PMO. The only department who is allowed to update it is the organizational appropriate organization who maintain this policy. And for that reason, that is the several examples like templates, change control procedures, traceability metrics, and we can find here process for progressing. We have here plenty of example regarding the policy and process procedure, which is part of the organization process asset. And now you can see here the second group or the OPAS is the organizational repository. In any kind of project, according to the organization, you will have um, the OKR. The OKR for storing and retrieving information includes but not limited to the following: configuration management, financial data, historical information, issue and defect management, data repository, and but the most important for me is the last part when you can see here the project files, previous projects such scope, cost, schedule, project calendar, risk register, risk report, and stakeholder. The most important of that, if you can see here, is the schedule for me. Is the schedule obviously because this have plenty of information regarding special from the planning, and you can take this information in order you can improve your new projects. Finally, the organization structure. That in this part you can see in this specific chart the difference between the several organization structure types like organic, functional, multidimensional, matrix, strong, matrix weak, matrix balance, project origin, virtual network, and hybrid. In this specific part, you will understand how is the project manager authority and how is the project manager role. And for that reason, you can see here two all regarding to resources availability for this specific project. And with all this, my friend, is the most important that you can see in this specific project environmental section. Thank you very much and see you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.